What's up, everybody? It's Erik from RVA Lawn Love. Welcome back to another episode of N-Ext DIY Lawn. As you can see behind me, things are kicking off pretty well here. Spring is sprung. I've already put down the Humic 12 and the aerate pre-emergent. I fertilized last weekend. Right now is a great time to start pushing some roots. So today I'm going to be applying root growth stimulant, better known as RGS. RGS is great to use this time of year because it helps push our roots deeper into the soil, which is going to help us out come summertime when the roots are going to be searching for water. So spring and fall are the optimal times to use this. However, you can use it throughout the season anytime you want, as long as temps are not above 85 degrees. You can go ahead and throw it down at 3 ounces per thousand. Today I'm going down at 6 ounces per thousand square feet. Go ahead and get things going. So here we go. And I don't know if anybody watches Lawn Tips, Ben Sims, but he actually puts down something he calls his secret mix every year, and he gets fantastic results. And he gave away some of the ingredients of his secret mix the other day, which is humic acid, fulvic acid, and sea kelp. Well, all three of those ingredients happen to be in RGS. It's 6% humic acid, 3% fulvic acid, and 3% sea kelp. Now he puts down straight humic acid, which humic acid is in here. And then he puts down something called Stimulizer, which he later said was fulvic acid. And fulvic acid helps your plant uptake the nutrients faster. That's why it's a Stimulizer. The sea kelp in it helps the root development. So you have all three of those things in one bottle with the RGS. All right, that's all I got for you for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hop over to my channel, RVA Lawn Love. Subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications on all the videos that I'm putting out over there this year. If you haven't already, subscribe right now to this channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do yourself a favor. Get off your ass, take care of your grass. Till next time, peace.